Welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to create a script as when we launch the game and when our player fall on the fan push it at some height in upward direction. So that just see if our player is almost died and a fan platform is appear here, and when our player fall on this fan platform, the fan platform push it up in upward direction. So go back to player controller script, and just here I am going to create private void on collision enter 2D. If collision dot game object dot compare tag equal to fan, what it will do? It will push the player RB, and it's mean player rigid body dot velocity equal to new vector to player RB dot velocity dot x and push it in upward direction and set the y value 5 float and press save. Go back to editor and select the fan platform and create a tag, name it fan, and save it. Select the fan and now select fan past this one, and now press play. When I press play, as you can see, our player is moving upward direction, and the difference is so little. Just increase the value and type 12 float, press save, and just see, you can see here our player is the fan platform push the player in upward direction. Just see, and here you can see the fan. You can also apply this to other platform. Now here is last thing. I am going to create a folder, name it prefab, and drag these platforms into, open it prefab and default platform here and here. The benefit of platform is we do not create platform every time. We simply just drag the platform here and it will inherit all the properties of platform which we have created. So that's it for this lecture. In next lecture we will create a spawn script so that when we launch the game, these randomly platforms are generating and start appearing. See you in next lecture.